Most of us as teachers do not do this job alone. We often work with co-teachers, special ed, MTSS, professional development specialists, other people who may need access to see and do and manage things inside of our Google Classroom, because we do this great job together. So to add a co-teacher, it's very simple. If you start on the stream menu, you're going to move over to the people. And there are our teachers, and we head over to invite teachers. And we just start typing in the names of the people that might be there. I know Ryan won't mind. So if I start searching Ryan, there he is. There he is. And Ryan Brown, invite. It'll show him as invited. And I think there's a maximum of maybe 5 or 6 extra teachers that you can have inside of Google Classroom. Not that we should ever have to have that many in there, but that's how you do it. They'll receive an email that says that they've been invited. Also, if they log into Google Classroom and haven't checked their email, it'll also say or show that there's an invite there, and they would just simply have to click join, and they would be done. Now, Ryan doesn't need to be part of this, so I'm going to go ahead and remove him. And there you have it.